Ah, ah, ah. Okay, that's pepper. Yes guys, what's good? It's your boy Robin here again with another video. First of all, do you guys like my new hairstyle? Ha! Gay! It's a little bit girly. And yeah, I might just change it. I have no idea what this looks like in the video. I hope I look pretty. I look pretty.
You're a donut!
As you guys can see by the title today, we'll be trying some Mexican food.
Bueno.
So I will be having Mexican green salsa. I was recommended to do with peas. I only have red peas and I'm too lazy to go to the supermarket, so...
You suck!
Alright guys, so here it is. The instructions are that you can serve it directly with meat, chicken, pork, and all types of Mexican food.
Ah, no mames, güey.
Well, only for my baby. Alright guys, so we're back. So first of all, before I continue, let me say that I am not Mexican and I did this to the best of my abilities. And yeah, let's try it. I dashed some broccoli in it, so let's see. Peas taste like peas. The salsa though, I don't know if it should be thicker, but it's sweet. Needs more pepper. Yeah. The broccoli is nice too. Y'all just watching me eating. It's a bit salty. I'm not sure if that's salt from my end or salt from the sauce's end. Why is it called green salsa? Okay, I like it. Alright guys. Okay, that's pepper. Alright guys, so that is for our video today, and if you're Mexican, please forgive me. I looked online and I wasn't really finding anything appealing, particularly from the vegan side, and I just simply added this to beans and or peas, red peas, and I did it as I would something for myself. So I literally like it. The sauce by itself, not so much, but when you mix the sauce with the peas and the broccoli and the broth from the peas, it tastes quite healthy. Does that make sense? It tastes quite green. Does that make sense? I don't know. But you can taste that vegetableness about it. It just tastes like vegetables, and I particularly like it. I really like it. So again, if you're Mexican and you know to do something vegan style like this, just let me know. With that said guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you've not already subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that notification button and tap the notification bell to all notifications. And yeah, check out my other videos about food reaction, traveling, culture, or languages, and some random stuff too. Also, if you guys have recommendations, let me know. I can always buy things online or go to a different city and try different foods. That'd be cool. See you guys. Ciao. Ciao, ciao.
Complaciendo para todos los bailadores con esta rola que dice...
Órale, güey.